Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door holder in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door holder. The door holder is mounted on the top front portion of the ceiling in the refrigerator compartment. It works as the latch for the left side French door mullion, holding the door closed. The main reason for the door holder to be replaced is if it breaks, causing the French doors not to close properly. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. The door holder is kept in place by two Phillips screws. So I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver and remove that couple of screws. And so we can take off the door holder. This is the old door holder next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm going to place a new door holder on the ceiling. And we're going to secure it with two Phillips screws. I'm going to install both of them before tightening the screws so we can see where it's going to be inserted. And then we can tighten them with a Phillips screwdriver. And now we can close the doors. I usually start with the left side and then I can close the right side. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.